What are all you penguins doing in my garage? Welcome back to the desk. This is a giveaway for, well, you've already seen it in the title, so let's just get on with it. This is a bowl kit for the Tiny Mite, which has come from and been generously offered for a giveaway by aswoodcustoms.co.uk. Definitely check out Aswood Customs. They make some lovely stuff. They made this handle and they made this handle too. It's lovely stuff, great stuff that they sell there. They sell a bunch of Glass Charlie stems, such as the ones I've given away previously on the channel. Stems for the Tiny Mite. They do accessories for a load of vaporizers, and they sell vapes as well. So it's well worth checking them out, well worth having a go. And it's amazing that they've contributed this. So what we have here, let's show you what you'll be receiving. Oh, bless him. So you get some Haribo, you get a nice little note from Aswood themselves. This is the bowl that you'll be receiving, and he's thrown in a handle, which from the looks of things, looks like it was made from olive wood, I guess. But I'm assuming it's going to be along the same lines as this. It feels the same. I don't want to open it. It's a surprise for you to open. So what we've got in here is instructions, sticker, and some screens, a little adapter to make the size of the bowl different, a handle, which obviously you've got a replacement here, which is much bigger than this one, and an O-ring to help seal the whole thing. Now, I don't have to open that to show you it, to show you how it works, but that's what you'll be receiving if you win this giveaway. I'm going to put some stickers in this of mine, so I don't forget to give you stickers. Give you 3 of the Smack Salad production stickers, pop those in there, and a few of the Smack Salad approved stickers as well. If you want stickers, by the way, get over onto the Patreon, sign up for the £1 a month Patreon level, and I'll send you a bunch of stickers. And there's also Patreon levels over there for if you want t-shirts, or if you want maybe a mug, or some other stuff that they do. There we go. That's all someone's prize. What a fantastic little gift from aswoodcustoms.co.uk. Make sure you check them out. It's like an earthquake. What is it though? So it's this, basically. So there you go, it's got a 14mm connection on it, so it fits straight into your glass. And then you load the flour into there, and as usual with the Tiny Mite, put it on upside down like that. You end up with that, basically, in whatever glass you're using. So then you can use your Tiny Mite through glass. Obviously, you don't need a drop down. You can just put this straight into your glass. There you go. It's very convenient, very handy. At Aswood Customs, there's 5% off if you use code SMACKSALAD on any of your purchase. There you go. That's it. Simple. Nice and simple. And there's a whole bunch of screens in there, so you can replace them. And yeah, that should last you a long time. Now, I have to thank Buckles. If ever you see Buckles around in the comments or in the chat, always say hello to Buckles and say thank you for allowing Smack Salad to have one of these wonderful things. So yeah, this is the handle that came with my Moab from Ed's TNT. But I got to say, I do prefer the Aswood handle. It's just a tad longer. There's just a bit more to it. There's a bit more to be able to grab because it is a little bit longer. I am jealous that you have an Aswood handle for this and I don't. You have the superior bowl kit for the Tiny Mite 2. If this is something that you would like for your Tiny Mite 2, then you need to be a UK resident, you need to be over 18, you need to like the video, you need to be subscribed to the channel, you need to share the video somewhere. Share it with your gran, share it with your dog, share it with a local school, share it with, no, don't do that actually, share it with Sherry Blair, share it with share it with love, just share it. Anywhere and everywhere, it'll make a massive difference to the channel, really help me out in return, and I will be able to get hold of more things like this to give away. I will be able to get more information out of producers. I'll be able to do more, basically, for all of us. And finally, to win this, leave a comment in the downstairs, in the down below, under the stairs, just saying, I want to load that bowl. I want to load that bowl. And you will be in with a chance to win this. I will leave this going for approximately 2 weeks. We are on the 29th as I record this, so 2 weeks takes us to the 12th of April. So on the 12th of April, I will endeavour to announce winners for this bowl kit. So if you want this, get those comments and get those likes and get those subscriptions coming in thick and fast to make sure you're in with a chance. I've got 5 more giveaways coming up very, very soon on the channel. So make sure you are subscribed and you have the bell icon on as well. I'll be giving away soon on my Patreon the guts of a ball vape. You just need a controller and a coil and a stand and some glass to go with these items, and then you're going to have yourself a wireless ball vape. So get over onto Patreon. It's free, you don't have to sign up, but if you do, that would be greatly appreciated. Only do so if you can afford it and if it's something that you really want to do. It'll make a big difference to the channel though. In the meantime, good luck everyone winning this bowl for your tiny mate, and stay medicated. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, 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 bye.